We are in the Top Shelf booth at the New York Comic Con, and I'm Jose Villarrubia. I'm one of the artists that works with Top Shelf, which is like my home when it comes to publishing companies. And it's also the home of Alan Moore. Alan does all his personal projects with them, and they published Lost Girls, which is one of Alan Moore's more important work. And I've done a couple of books with Alan Moore for them as well. And we're working on a big book about magic with him. So there's a lot of good things that are going to be coming out. I would like to introduce you to Rob Venditti, who is the writer and author of The Surrogates, soon to be released as a major
Now that's
film.
major. All right.
And he's right here to answer any questions you may have and show you the graphic novel that the movie's inspired by.
It's my first book, and I was actually working in the warehouse for the publisher as like their box packer guy. And I decided I wanted to write comics, and so I wrote the script for it, and I showed it to the editor of the company, whose name is Chris Staros, under the idea that, if you could help me get this in shape and maybe introduce me to a publisher that might want to publish it, my sole objective being to just get the book in print so I could have something to show other people and maybe get some work off of it. That was it, But the editor, Chris, ended up liking it himself, wanting to keep it in-house, and so they published it, and it just got on the radar of the producers and things like that, and they just came and approached me, and it all came together pretty quickly. I think, we should always be writing comics to be comics first. If they become something beyond that, then, more power to it. But I do think it's a medium that, translate very well across, cultures and into different demographics and things like that. So I think there's definitely a lot of potential there, and it seems like, especially with the involvement of Hollywood and things like that, they're much more on the radar than they were even, say, 5 years ago. So hopefully that trend will continue. We'll continue to get the distribution now that we're starting to see in bookstores and, other avenues outside of just, the old, just inside the comic book, marketplace. As it gets, more wider distribution and we garner more readers, it seems to me that the medium can only continue to grow from here. When I wrote the book back in 2002, this was when comic book films were first becoming, popular. Like X-Men had done really well, and Spider-Man had just done really well, and so comic book movies were now, getting hot. And so we didn't have a publisher yet or anything, and my wife and I were just talking, if they made a movie out of this, who'd be good as the lead role? And we both said Bruce Willis would be perfect because he can do the tough action sequences and he can be a cop, but there's also a very emotional element to the story between the cop and his wife, and the toll that the surrogate technology is having on their marriage. And so he's one of the few actors that can be both tough but also vulnerable. And so we were like, he'd be awesome. And then, 5 years later, they cast him in the role. So that's, really pretty incredible. But watching the clip they showed here yesterday, everything looks amazing. It seemed to get a really positive response from everybody. They've also done some other things, banners in the hall. They've been handing out some cards to promote a website and things like that. So it seems like the ball is really starting to get rolling, and I'm really happy that they're promoting it this far in advance of the film. So.